Hello everybody, hope you're doing good. So if you're having that issue where your shift key is not working on your Windows 11 or 10 in your keyboard, in today's video we'll be guiding you through the process to fix that issue. So let's head over to settings and open it up, hit Windows plus I, open up your settings, and you may just go over to accessibility from here. After you go over to accessibility, you may scroll down and look out for interaction section and go over and find keyboard here on your screen and find it up. Once you go ahead and do so, here what we need to do is, if you have turned on any of these filter keys available on your keyboard, you can just go ahead and turn these options off. So if these options are turned on like this, we just need to turn it off, and that should probably help you with the issue. Apart from that, what we can do is, so we can head over to control panel. We can just go over to the search and type in control panel and open it up within our system. And if this view by category, this option is not category, you can select the first option and open this up and you'll be finding this windows. Look out for ease of access and open up this on your computer. And again, head over to ease of access center and open it up.
Always scan this section.
Once you do so, you can just head over and look out for this option for making the keyboard easy to use. Go ahead and open it up like this, and you'll be finding different settings available here. And what we can do is, we can just go ahead and turn on these options right here, turning on sticky keys, toggle keys, filter keys. After that, click on apply and click on OK.
Always scan this section.
After you do so, again, head over to make the keyboard easy to use, and this time we're going to turn off these options. So turn it off, turn it off, turn it off, and turn it off again, and click on apply and click on OK. And this is what we're doing.
Scan this section.
So we're just refreshing the system for your keyboard, and that should fix your issue. And once you do so, what we can do is we can just go over and open up a device manager, open it up. From device manager, just go ahead and look out for keyboards, find your keyboard, expand it up, right click on it, update driver. And once you update driver, search automatically for drivers and update your driver to the latest version for your device. And that's it. So these are some of the methods available if you'd like to fix your shift key not working on your Windows 11 or 10. So don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.